to show the whole world what we're all about. We're the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, Bratz, we'll always be there for each other. Ooh, Bratz, yeah, styling how we feel. Talking about best friends. Together we can do anything. Got a plan, a dream, take a chance and believe, make it real.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest, Shaylee, who is not here with me due to technical difficulties. Unfortunately, we filmed a couple of videos that had a bug on them, so they came out blank, and we didn't want to do the look completely over, so our intro and our ending and even a couple videos in between were deleted. I'm going to do the best I can to fill in those voids. You guys can get this complete look on your own, but for now, if you want to see our Bratz tutorial, please keep watching. To start this tutorial, I'm going to start with the Brow Pro palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to go in with dark brown. That's not really her eyebrow color, I wouldn't say, but Chloe actually has really dark eyebrows. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Fenty concealer in the shade 185. Taking my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that all out on her eye. Going in with a flat brush, I'm going to take the Sippin' Pretty palette and I'm going to go in with the shade Blackout. I'm going to put that all over her lid. Now I'm going to go in with the shade RSVP, this purple color, and I'm going to go above the black line I did. I'm going to take this purple from BH Cosmetics. I'm not sure of the shade. I don't even think it says the shade that it is. I'm going to go over what I already did with the purple. I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm just going to define her crease. I'm going to draw a line right at the top of the black. Under Chloe's eyebrow, she has like a nice shimmer. So I'm going to go in with the color 2008 from the KKWX Mario palette. Now we're going to do some wing liner. I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner for her wings. We're going to do that to the other side off camera. For her skin, I'm going to go in with the Tatcha primer. For foundation, I'm going to go in with N4 from L'Oreal True Match. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit and I'm going to go in with cinnamon. Now I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. What grade did you graduate? Or what year? What grade did you graduate? 12th?
I graduated in 12th grade. 2016.
I'm going to take this Sephora brush and just brush over her nose. To bake her face, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. make her eyes appear bigger, I'm going to go in with some Wet n Wild white liner. I'm going to take 2 Swarovski crystals and some Spirit gum, and I'm going to place those right on the corners of her eyes. For lips, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Shine Shot lip gloss because I didn't really have the perfect color. And I'm going to use this NYX liquid shade. I'm going to mix the two to make a really light color, which is that color right there. I'm going to try putting this actual glitter on her lips. I mixed this pink with the white to try to get more of a lighter pink. So we have our final look that I'm about to show you in just a minute. Please subscribe to my channel if you have a Gmail, or if you love this look, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you love us. From all of this happening, at least I learned a lesson. Now after every video I film until I get a camera, and I'm going to check to see if the camera had a bug on it, because I tried 3 different ways to try to restore these pictures or the videos back onto my phone. Nothing worked, and so I ended up just wiping out my entire phone because I just didn't want to run into any more bugs on my camera, if that makes any sense. But Apple Sport's the one who said it, so